Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers, and welcome back to Islamic Learning 2022. Today, we'll be delving into a topic that's fundamental to our faith: how to talk to Allah. Communicating with Allah, the Most Merciful, is a deeply personal and spiritual experience. While we may not speak directly to Him like we do with fellow humans, there are beautiful ways to establish a connection and converse with our Creator. Firstly, Salah, or prayer, serves as our direct line of communication with Allah. Through our prayers, we express our gratitude, seek guidance, and ask for forgiveness. It's essential to approach Salah with sincerity and focus, knowing that Allah hears every word, even those unspoken. Secondly, the Quran is a profound means of communication between us and Allah. When we recite the Quran, we're not just reading words on a page, we're engaging in a conversation with our Creator. Reflecting on its verses allows us to draw closer to Allah and understand His message for us. Additionally, making dua or supplication is a powerful way to talk to Allah. Whether in times of joy or adversity, we can turn to Allah in prayer, pouring out our hearts and seeking His assistance. Remember, Allah loves to hear from His servants, so never hesitate to make dua, knowing that He is always listening. Finally, let's not forget the importance of sincerity and patience in our communication with Allah. Building a strong relationship with Him takes time and effort, but the rewards are immeasurable. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you found this guide on how to talk to Allah beneficial. Remember, through prayer, Quranic recitation, dua, and sincere devotion, we can strengthen our bond with our Creator. Until next time, may Allah bless you all. Assalamu alaikum.